are not supposed to be here. We are worlds apart. We are from two different worlds.
You know, sometimes we find the right things that we seek in wrong places. Let me be a part of your world, and I promise to wipe away all your tears.
Your words for me are so kind, but they hurt me even more. You have beautiful dreams for me, but they can never be, especially when the heat of hatred comes upon us.
Machi, 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 Machi.
Ogini. Hey, what is it? I heard you scream. What could be the problem?
It's nothing. It was just a dream. I'm fine.
Soma? Just a dream. But your face says otherwise. You look tense and worried. Share this dream with me, oh? You know what? Share the dream with me.
Honey, it was just a dream. I don't even remember what happened.
Hi. This might be the sign of black fever. You know, it comes with mysterious dreams that at times we cannot comprehend it. First thing in the morning, I will make some herbs for you to drink, oh?
No, but I am not having any symptoms. I told you it was just a dream. Go to bed.
Soma, you are the only thing I have in this world left since your father died. It is my responsibility to take care of you.
And who says you have not been taking care of me? I am fine. I've been used to this your sermon since I was 12 and now I'm in my 20s. Don't you think I'm old enough to take care of myself and also take care of you?
You may be right. But no matter how big a child grows, the child will always be a child to the mother. Huh?
Okay.
I am your mother. You cannot change it.
Okay, you win. You can make the herbs tomorrow morning and I'm going to drink it. If that will make you happy.
Messi.
I'm fine. Now go to bed. Go and give
lie down first.
Those old bones the rest they desire.
I will. Lie.
I am fine. You telling me it was just a dream. Yeah. Really? No.
Sleep. I am going. Soma, my son, you look far away. Is anything troubling your mind?
Nothing. I'm fine. I was just lost in thoughts. Here comes another cup of this bitter herbs. Can this cup just pass over me?
You obviously know the answer to that question. Your plea can never be granted. Besides, it is the bitterness in the herbs that cures the ailment.
But I didn't say I was sick.
I know you want to break down before you accept that you are sick. Always like his late father. Very stubborn over everything. Now take.
Just allow me to take this thing. Please.
Finish it.
It's hot.
I know.
I'm sure you're happy now that you have spoilt my morning with this bitter concussion.
I was only being a caring mother, performing my motherly duty to the only asset I have on earth. You know you're my only child. Biko, I will take care of you. You know, go?
Nne, can I ask you something? I followed her into the bush and I discovered where she lives. And it got me wondering, who is she? And of all places, why would she choose to live in that odd place? Nne, she really needs help.
Did anyone see you around her?
No, Nne. Why do you ask?
You must not see her again.
Nne, how can you say such a thing? Nne, that girl is hopeless and she needs help. How could you even reject her? You have not even met her.
I know her.
You do?
Her name is Machi. She is a witch. Ostracized and banished from this village for killing her parents. She has lived in that bush ever since then. No one is allowed to have anything to do with her.
Wait. How can she possibly kill her parents? What does she stand to gain by doing that?
Black witches do not have any reason to kill. It is in them to inflict pain and misery on the people around them. Do not go near her again. Summer, it is forbidden in this land for anyone to be seen around her, not to talk of reacting or relating or doing anything whatsoever with her. You are my only child. I will not let that happen to you. You heard me.
What do you want?
They said you killed your parents. Tell me you did not do it.
It does not matter what the truth is. If I say yes, or if I say no, will it change the fact that I wear pain and misery like a second skin? Even God, not even God can change my situation.
The words of your lips shows how heavy your heart is. But have you not heard that what God cannot do does not exist?
God, is there anything like God? Is there really a supreme being called God? If God truly exists, then he has been very, very, very unfair to me. He has been very, very cruel to me. Please, just go. Go back to where you're coming from. Go back to your comfort. And leave me in my misery and pain. Just go.
Please, tell me how it happened. How did your parents die? Tell me how it all happened.
There is nothing to tell you.
Okay. I will go. And I'll never disturb you again. But just know that you have lost the only person that wanted to hear you out. The only person that wanted to share in your misery. You will never hear from me again.
Please. Please. Don't go. I'll tell you everything. Everything.
Chai. These oranges are sweet too. Where did you get them from?
It was Somadina that brought them home. He said it was from Mama Nkoli, that she gave the oranges to him after helping her to pluck.
Ahem. Asekwam, who in this village does not know that the best oranges comes from Mama Nkoli's compound? I'm beginning to wonder if they plant all the oranges in their compound with a cup of sugar.
Hi, Azuka. When will you stop being over dramatic? How can they plant oranges with cups of sugar? What do you possible?
You know, I'm just joking. I just want you to know how sweet the oranges are.
Enjoy the oranges.
I will. Where is Soma? I've not seen him since I came here.
Oh, he went to see his friend Chimobi.
Okay.
He will soon be back. All right. Yes, very soon.
I hope I can finish the rest of the oranges.
Don't worry, go on. You're my guest.
All right.
I cannot believe what my eyes just saw. My own Somadna in the bush with Machi the outcast. I mean, what in the world would he be doing in that cursed place? Let it not be what I'm thinking, no, because it would not be nice at all. What are you thinking? What else would a man be seeking from a woman, if not love, affection, or probably a relationship? That is not possible. What in the world would he want from that witch? Is he out of his senses? I must inform him now about this.
I know it's difficult for the world to believe, but I did not have a hand in the death of my parents. That evil thought never crossed my mind. It was my uncle, my father's brother, who sold this story, and everyone believed him.
Hey, Adamo Ma. Ne. Are you not done cooking?
No, mother. I'll be done in a couple of minutes. I will just have to add the visitor.
Okay, so Badru, please make sure you finish cooking before your father comes back. Let me go and see Monica. We have some arrangements in church concerning our program next Sunday. Oh?
I'll try. But you better return on time.
Why?
You're talking as if you've forgotten the man you married. He will not taste anything until you return.
I know. But Nne, please make sure you cajole him to eat. You know he left without a meal. Biko.
I will try, Mama. I'm not promising anything. You better come back and take care of your husband.
I will, oh. Please make sure the food is sweet.
Mama, you know how I used to cook now. You're talking as if I don't know how to cook.
Kanje, come put
Mama, hey, Mama, you better buy something for me.
I will. Oh, come, Baji, I'm coming. Okay.
Oh, here.
Nam, what's the problem? You've not even touched your food. You can't continue to wait for Mama. You better eat something before the worms in your belly cause serious damages.
My daughter, don't worry. Your mother will be back soon. Let me wait for a little while.
But the food is getting cold, Father. It's getting cold.
And if you get cold, you will want me over and over again. That is the benefit of having a hardworking daughter like you.
I slept off, waiting for my mother to return. Only for me to wake up to the worst nightmare of my life till date. I woke up to find my parents groaning.
My stomach, Mama. What is it? Mama? Papa? Help me! Mama, no, Mama, no, don't do this, Mama, don't do this, Mama, please. Mama, please, Mama. Please. Mama! Uncle, please do something! Uncle, no! Uncle, please do something! Uncle, please! Mama, Chimo!
This way!
But why didn't the elders dig deep to find out the truth?
I don't know. I was just a little girl. I had to come here and just build this life because I couldn't stand the stigma of being called someone who killed her parents. I couldn't stand it. All the villagers treated me like a leper.
How come? How come I did not hear about you since I returned to the village?
What is there for you to hear about me? What? I'm just a poor orphan. Rejected by her people. And abandoned by God. What is there to know about me? What do you want to hear? What?
I cry a river, yet it's not enough. I'm accused, even though I didn't do. Nobody believes her, it's unfair. All blames on her. What will she do? She was suffering, still nobody cares. She could be
Adamne! Maybe she's inside sleeping. But the front door is locked. Have you forgotten to normally lock the door whenever she's sleeping when we're not in the house? Let's check the back. Okay.
Adanne!
Even if this your cooking takes eternity, I will not step an inch out of this place until I taste it. How can you feel my system with the aroma that has kept me salivating for the past 1 hour and expect me to leave without tasting it? Mban, this is wickedness.
Azuka, see, this request is my son's special order. My doctor in the making.
Mama, the doctor. So those of us that don't have a child, let alone one that is about to become a doctor, we should go and hang ourselves.
Azuka, I did not say that. Please, Biko, before somebody will hang what I did not say on me. Biko, if it is for the special meal, you will share in it. Inugo? Biko, after all, you are my special friend now.
It's not your talking. Hey. Are you sure it's only Chimobi your son went to see? You know, children of nowadays might have gone to see someone else.
Azuka, not my son. Even if any woman is trying to catch his attention, it should be one of your niece or Bianuju. Because I do see the moves she do make on him since he returned from the city. Jeremiah Maro.
What is it? Is everything all right? Hey. How can you barge in here and refuse to talk?
Auntie, I believe it will be better off from the lips of Abianuju, not me.
Why will you say that? We both saw it together, so why are you removing yourself from that matter? Huh?
Are you expecting me to answer that question?
Meaning what? Meaning what? You better talk.
Chalopao, you came all the way from wherever you are coming from to my house to quarrel over what you saw and who will report it. Too much. Let me check my food because
if you both don't have anything to say here, you better leave.
It's about Soma dinner.
Soma? What happened to Soma? Where is he?
Yes,
Where?
Talk now.
Where did you see Soma? What happened to Soma? Take me to Soma. Where did you see him? Will you just talk?
Soma.
Talk now.
And it's just that
what happened to my son?
You have to go now. You really have to go now. I do not want you to land yourself in trouble, or even your poor mother, because of me. I have accepted my fate. Maybe this is God's plan for me, even before I was born.
Machi, don't say that. God can never plan this for you. Yes, bad things happen. Even before we were born, bad and mysterious things have been happening to human beings. But that does not mean God is deliberately punishing us.
Save your sermon, preacher. Save your breath. It's time for you to go home. I don't want another soul getting in trouble for my sake. Go home to your poor mother. You must go now. Summer dinner. Thank you for today.
No, this is not possible. It's not true. How can my summer visit that witch in that bush? But no. Say something else. Or they're not possible.
Mama, we saw them together. We can't just make up such sensitive issues. Yes, Nne, we did not make it up. We're even afraid. That's why we rushed here immediately to come and tell you.
Mama Soma, I know my nieces can be very funny at times, but not when it comes to serious issues like this. I will advise you talk to your son before he goes astray.
Tufiakwa, what in the world is he looking for around the confirmed witch who was sent away from this village into the forest?
I don't know. I don't know. But I have this deep feeling that Somadina is not doing this with his right senses. Obviously, he has been bewitched by that witch. Else, how can one explain what he was doing in the bush with a girl that was banished from this land? Maybe he didn't know about her status. Know what? Obiama, how can you say that? Who in this village have not heard about Machi and how she killed her parents through her witchcraft? But it has not been long Somadina came back from the city. He might not know. Know what? Obiama, watch your tongue. Obiama, mind what you say.
Hey! Can you both just shut up and allow me to think? This is serious. I have to do something to help my friend in Didi. Who knows if Somadina has returned home?
Good evening. Good evening.
I have accepted my fate. Maybe this is God's plan for me, even before I was born.
Pardon, Miss serious things have been happening to human beings. But that does not mean God is deliberately punishing us.
Samadina, what is the meaning of what happened today? You want to send me to my grave, right? Why would you go against words and stray into the bush to see a witch that I forbid you to? A dark serpent who was banished because of her evil deeds. A girl that was responsible for her own parents' death. You want to make us a laughingstock? What do you think that will happen to us when the entire village and the elders find out that you are frolicking with an outcast, ostracized by the village? Soma did not tell me. What is it you see in her that you could not see in other girls in this land? Somadina, I am talking to you. Speak to your mother.
Mother, she's not a witch.
I forbid you to repeat that before me again. I can see that she has bewitched you with her witchcraft. But I will not be alive to watch you being consumed by her.
Mother, nobody is consuming me. That girl needs help. She's just a victim of...
Put you on again. Do not speak about what you don't know. You know little or nothing about that girl. Besides, she's far older than you. What in the world are you looking for around her?
You have always taught me not to condemn people so fast. That girl is innocent, and something in me is telling me that she's innocent.
Whatever is telling you that is the seed she has planted in you, and I am going to uproot it by force.
She needs help. She has no one to turn to. She's a human being like us. She has blood and water running in her vein. We can't just condemn her like that without clear proof. That is barbaric.
You want to send me to an early grave, right? If that is what you want, go ahead. If that is what you will use to pay me for all the sacrifice I made to you after your father's death, no problem. If that is what will make you happy in this world, bring it on. Manasoma, remember, if anything happens to me, my blood will be on your head.
Chima, morning, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good thing you are here. you better go in and talk to your friend. Talk to him. Because I can see that the dark witches of Ugunchara has converged and meeting on his head.
Hey, what happened?
Go and ask him, Joya.
Where could this boy have gone?
Chimobi, have you spoken to him? What is it? What? Talk to me.
Ne, Soma is not in Israel.
Huh? Chimo! Hey! Hey, what?
Ne, what is it? I heard you scream.
Where have you been?
I've been at the back of the building. I even saw when Chimobi was sneaking in, but I didn't want to stop her because I wanted her to look for me.
We need to talk.
I cry a river, yet it's not enough. I'm accused, even though I didn't do. Nobody believes her, it's unfair. All blames on her. What will she do? She was suffering, still nobody cares. She could be konyere makatuk mamado. Shukudalo, you sent me an angel. I'm not alone anymore. Each chaperone marine.
Obianuju. Obianuju. Obianuju.
Chimo.
Chimo. So you have the mouth to shout Chimo because it is cold water. Next time, it's hot water I'll pour on you. I gave you this vegetable 45 minutes ago. Why are they still untouched?
I'm sorry, Adani. I was lost in thought.
You were lost in thought. To the point that you were completely lost to the world. Eh? I can see that the Ogbanje spirit in you has taken over you. And very soon, you will soon go mad.
I'm not an Ogbanje. Nothing will happen to me, and I'm not going to run mad at all.
Shut your silly mouth. Nothing happened to me. You better prepare this vegetable. If not, there'll be no food for you in this house.
It's because of him.
Don't give me that look of pretense. Of course you know who I'm talking about. So, all these your mood swings and loss of concentration since yesterday, it's all about Somadina. I will advise you to slow down, else you will hurt yourself. But let me ask you, do you think he's in love with her? I don't know, but I think that shouldn't be a problem or bother you. Because whatever they feel for each other cannot stand. It's forbidden. Yes, you're right. So cheer up, huh? So cheer up and do what you're asked to do. Thank you.
Obianuju. So you are still on that vegetable?
You must put your mother into consideration in whatever you are doing. Her heart is fragile, and she's relying on you as her last respite so she can last for you. I will advise you to cut all ties with that evil witch in that forest.
Why do you all like making a mountain out of an anthill? All I am trying to do is to help that innocent poor lady. Machi is a human being like all of us. She has blood and water running in her veins. She was pushed into the bush like an animal because of the ugly way her parents died. I am very sure that she might be innocent because no one is 100% sure she did it.
Thank God you said she might be innocent. Not that she is innocent. My father used to say that there is no innocent locust amongst fowls. She was found guilty, not by you or me. My friend, I will advise that we let go of what is beyond us.
Chima, I am not doing anything that is beyond me. I am not asking for too much. All I'm asking for is that someone that I consider a friend becomes happy. Is that too much to ask for?
By letting go of your happiness and your mother's happiness? So ma, this madness must stop.
Someone has to sacrifice something for something good to happen.
Hey, you see, Chima, please, you have to do everything in your power to help me. Please, you have to tell him to stop this madness. Please.
Bianoju, don't worry. I have spoken to him this afternoon and I have warned him to stay away from that witch.
But please, you have to tell him how much I love him. You have to let him know that I cherish him so much that I can't even stand the thought of losing him to anyone. Please.
Okay. Let me be going. I'm the one cooking.
Shinobi, please. Oh.
Don't worry.
Thank you. God bless you. Okay, bye. So it has gotten to the extent that you cannot control yourself, even in the public. And what is that supposed to mean? It means you should get hold of yourself. You're not the first maiden of this land to fall in love. Why is your own turning into madness? Better get hold of yourself.
like water sprinkled in the desert. You trickled into my life, quenching the thirst of misery that ravages my soul. In a flash, you brought back a ray of hope and happiness. Now I can say that life is not always cruel, because you have given me courage. But I ask, why? Why have you suddenly brought back this happiness to my life? Why?
Every soul deserves happiness. Every soul deserves a little bit of love, a little bit of care and affection. As human beings, we're created to feel each other's pain. We're created to help each other carry one another's burden. And that is all I am trying to do. And it is nothing serious, because even the animals in the forest help each other at difficult moments.
You're such an angel. But I ask, why did you bring in this touch of light into my life, into this darkness of mine?
Maybe I am your guardian angel, doing the job God has assigned me to do. Machi, you deserve all the joy and happiness. And it gladdens my heart that my little hand of help is not a waste.
But isn't this dangerous? Why are you trying to disturb your peace and that of your mother? For my sake, am I worth it? Soon, people will find out that you're seeing me, and they will attack you like a whirlwind without even knowing your intentions. I'm not worth it. I am bad omen. I am not worth it. Just let me be in my pain and misery. I don't want another soul to suffer for me. Please.
Machi, of what use is life if you cannot make a little sacrifice for others to be happy? We should learn to live for others and not just for ourselves. I will be here with you through the storm and through the fiercest fire. I will not go anywhere. I have to go now. Mama will be worried.
Suffering, still nobody cares.
Bye.
stop him. He's getting lost in his arms. Look, Chimobi, they're already building serious relationship. They're building serious feelings for themselves, please.
Are you sure? Because from what I can see from far, it's just helping her find a little happiness.
Chimobi, I know what I am saying. Do you know they nearly kissed today?
Sorry.
Chimobi, it's not about sorry. Please help me stop him, please.
Benja, I'll try.
Okay, thank you. God bless you. Please, just try, please. Please.
Chimobi, tell me, is Summer still seeing her? No. Tell me the truth. Is my Summer still going to that bush to see that witch, Machi?
No, Mama. No.
Something in me tells me that you are lying. You are lying to me, Chimobi. But know this at the back of your mind. If anything happens to me, I will not forgive you both. Just know that my blood will be on you and Summer's head.
What am I going to do now? What?
Supposed to be asleep by now. The night is far gone. What are you still doing outside?
I know. I just want to feel the night breeze.
But the night is already windy. It even looks like it is going to rain. Come, let us go inside. Nights are made for spirits, not mortals. Huh?
You can go and sleep. I'll join you later.
I insist. Let us go inside. Get the chair. Let me get the lantern.
Let the mother know the level this whole thing is going to. Because if nothing is done, I will personally report him to the Igwe and the elders. Report him to the Igwe and the elders, Obenuju. Do you know the implication of that? Obenuju, do you want him and his mother ostracized? Or possibly banished? Is it not better than losing him without a fight? Obenuju!
This is serious. Mama Soma has to do something fast about this. Before I come, Madu, Our Akinwe.
Where on earth could he be now? So Ma, why is he so obsessed with this girl? Is he under a spell? Because there is nothing witches cannot do to achieve their evil aim. Whatever it is, we must help him to break free from it.
I brought you a gift. I hope you like them. I have to go now. Mama is already suspecting I always come to see you whenever I'm not at home.
Somadina, my guardian angel. Thank you.
What has come over you, Somadina? No, what exactly is happening with you? I saw you kissing that witch in the bush.
I forbid you to ever call her that again. Machi is not a witch and she will never be a witch.
Oh, I see. So she has bewitched you and you are enchanted by her. Suma, you are mad. And I will...
Stop it! I said stop, or I'll be forced to do what I will regret.
Do what? Suma, do what? So you will pick a fight with me because of her. I'm so disappointed in you.
Mobi, I said stop!
If I refuse to stop, why are you so wicked and cruel? Why are you so selfish and blind? Why are you determined to take a path that will bring pain and misery to you and your mother? What will the elders of the village do to you if they find out that you've been contaminating yourself with that girl? Answer me. I will not sit here, fold my arms, and watch you bring disgrace to this family.
You're only wasting your time because nobody can stop me from following my heart. Through me, God has given a dead soul life. Through me, someone you all term the witch has seen a glimpse of happiness. Let me ask you, Chimobi, if you were the one that life visited with this ugly circumstance, how would you feel? Machi deserves to live. Machi deserves happiness, and I am going to give it to her no matter what the consequences are.
Mother, I am sorry for all the pains that I've caused you. I swear, it is not intentional. I'm sorry.
So, Azokam, this is what I have been saying.
It is obvious that your son, Soma, is under the influence of her witchcraft. She has casted a spell on him. We have to do something urgently, if not, it will consume his soul.
Azoka, please tell me. How can I save my son? What must I do to save my son?
We have to look for a black goat. Now that there is still daylight, we must consult a seer.
A seer?
Yes, a seer. Someone who will break the ties between them, so that whatever enchantment she has casted on your son will be broken.
Hey! But I belong to CWO in the church. How do I resort to fetish practice?
My friend, this is no time for self-righteousness. I'm a Christian too, remember? We have to treat this case seriously because it's a very serious one that requires a very serious remedy. Let's tackle this issue urgently because a stitch in time, they say, saves 9. It is raining already. I have to go.
Azuka, it's just drizzling. Eh? Stay with me. Please let me see a companion that I'll be talking with. Iko, no. Don't leave me like this. Stay more.
Break the ties between them, so that whatever enchantment she has casted on your son will be broken. This is no time for self-righteousness.
Nobody believes her. Shukubi konyere makatuk mamadu. Shukudalo, you sent me an angel. I'm not alone anymore. He chaperone.
I know you may be wondering who I am. But you do not need to bother yourself because I am going to spell everything out for you.
Please. Please. I don't want trouble. Please.
And that trouble is what you will get if you do not leave my betrothed alone, you witch. Do you want to kill him the way you killed your parents? I am warning you for the last time. Stay off Somadna, else you will be sorry. Just go and practice your witchcraft elsewhere and not on my beloved Somadna. Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you. Witch.
I am losing my son. Somadina is slipping away from my grip by the minute. He has not been eating my food. For days now, he has not eaten any meal. He's starving himself to death. Asuka, what have I done wrong? What have I done to deserve this kind of punishment from Somadina? Is it a loving and caring mother that I've not been to him? Why is he treating me like that? Why?
We have to do what we have to do.
What do we have to do? What?
Consult Isia.
I'm afraid nothing can separate them. I repeat, nothing can separate them. Not in this life or the next life to come.
There are more forces against us, and the ones in our favor. Since my parents died, you are the only one that has made me believe in life again. But I really do wish and pray that our love will last for eternity. But I am afraid. I have this deep fear. This fear that...
Machi, our love is made in heaven by the creator of all souls. Nothing can stop our love.
You are my destiny, my peace. You make me so happy. Your love, oh, Nagbawa me see. You are my destiny, my peace. You make me so happy. Your love, oh, Nagbawa me see.
I'm sorry.
Hey, Sona, get up. Get up, oh my dear. Come and sit. Sit down.
I am I'm sorry. I don't know what is happening. The more I try to pull away from Machi, the more an unseen force binds us together. I know I have failed you. Please, I'm very sorry.
My dear, no. My husband, the pride of my youth. I will be a fool to fight nature. Only God sees the end from the beginning. Only God knows why what is happening. Who am I to fight nature? Summer, I am your mother. Yes, but I cannot fight the power of love.
Are these words really coming from you?
Hey, dear mama, my husband, you're welcome. This one you came unannounced. Hope all is well. Soma, go inside and get a bed for them. Oh.
We are not here to sit, woman. You have allowed the vultures of Ugunchara to pay your household a visit. You have kept a blind eye while the owl has laid an evil egg on your bed.
Nine. Pico. Who knew it? Eh? I don't understand. If I say that I am not lost at the utterances of your lips, then I am lying to myself. Could you please explain this in a more clearer language, Pico?
There is nothing to explain, woman. The evil package your son has purchased is now at your doorpost. There is nothing hidden under the sun. The evil activities your son Somadina and that girl in the forest is not hidden from the sight of the cause. Somadina has defied himself and this family. Based on that, the youths and elders of this land has taken a decision. From today, your family has been excommunicated from the activities of this village.
Yes.
And you are not going to partake in anything. You are not going to buy from our markets or sell. Neither will you fetch from our river. You and your son are dead to this land.
Yes. That you still have your feet touching the soil of this compound is because we, the youths and the elders, consider how good your late husband was. It's a pity he gave birth to this weakling who doesn't know what is right for him. An ego that is lusting after a toad.
Hope our message is clear. Ikenna.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Not only that my friend is excommunicated from this village, she and her son can no longer partake in any activity in this land.
Adani, does it mean that they cannot buy something from our market? Or fetch water from our stream again?
They are forbidden from everything. Anyone seen close to them will be heavily fined.
Adani, does it mean I will not be able to come close to my Somadina again? How can they say that? It's not possible.
Will you shut your mouth? I'm here talking about his serious matter and you're busy talking about seeing Somadina.
That one is more important.
You better wake up from this your dream and face reality.
Abenuju. Hey.
You know, when the nights are cold and the streets quiet, I long for your touch and warmth. And when the nights are cold and the whistles of the crickets fills the night air, all my ear longs for is your voice that brings melodies to my heart. And when the nights are cold, all my body craves is your closeness.
Wow. That was really out of this world. How did you learn to express yourself with such deep words?
It comes naturally. Maybe when I'm happy or sad.
So tell me, what emotions brought out these words?
I think you already know the answer to that question that you just asked.
Really? You really think I do?
No. You know. I am done with your hair. I have to start going now. Mama will be looking for me.
I don't know. Whenever you're with me, I don't just want you out of my sight for even one moment. I just wish I could be around you all the time.
Don't worry. Very soon, you'll be around me forever.
Samadina, 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 your love on Agbawa Missy.
Machi, 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 your love on Agbawa Missy.
I love her to the moon and back. I can take any pain. I can bear any burden. I can walk every mile to see that what we cherish is kept safe and warm.
I know that feeling.
Nay, you scared me. I did not hear you walking.
The feeling is same whenever it comes. I can see she makes you real happy. It always comes with true, undiluted love. I felt same when my late husband, your father, came into my life. My dear, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. But it always comes at a great cost. Because love is sacrifice. I'm happy for you. You found love.
You are the air that I breathe. I will love you till I die. Your love won't Agbawa Missy. You are the air that I breathe. I will love you till I die. Your love won't Agbawa Missy.
Now I know there is nothing love cannot do. It baffles me. I don't know what this boy saw in this lady that made him sacrifice his position as a freeborn of this land. Can you imagine? Can you imagine what he's passing through?
But he's not complaining. And besides, they are both in it together. Have you not heard the popular quote that love is blind?
Thank you very much. My dear, are you jealous?
Me? Jealous? For what?
Fine. Are you a witch?
Hey.
It's true they said love is blind, but theirs is seeing. Okay? Oh. So please stop bothering yourself over someone's relationship.
Thank God you said love is not blind. Because my own case, love won't match a guy. Please, let's go.
Ah. Nam. Mama. You people are back so early. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. I'm more than tired. Can I get a cup of water? I don't know how I'm feeling.
I'm sorry, Nam. It must be stress. Take now.
Yes.
It must be stress from the farm work. Yeah, well, let me get water for you.
No, don't worry. Let me get the water for him. He has been complaining since that he's weak. I don't know.
Sorry, my dear. Farm work is not done by a day. It's gradual. It takes a gradual process. Why you?
Hey!
Somadina! Soma! 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 Somadina! Soma! What happened? I don't know. Somadina! Soma! Somadina! Hey! What is it now? Somadina, what is it? Somadina, what is it? What is it? Soma! Give me one. Soma! Hey! Somadina! Soma! Shimo! Somadina, get up! Get up! Somadina, get up, please, get up! Get up, get up, get up, get up!
Nurse, please, I need Mr. John's test result. Hello, dear. Please, calm down and take your seat. You've been standing since you arrived here. Please do take your seat. Okay. Excuse me. Any problem?
I want to ask you something. Please. Is he going to be fine?
I do not have an exact answer to that question now, but I believe he'll be fine, okay? So please hold on, the doctor will be with you shortly.
Madam, I am afraid there is little we can do right now to help your son. His case is a serious case of ESRD.
Doctor, please, can you explain to us in a more language we can understand? Because I don't know what is called Guinea 1.
ESRD.
Yes. What is it and how to go about it?
ESRD is a short form of end-stage renal disease. Let me break it down the way you will understand it more. It is the end stage of a chronic kidney disease where the kidney stops working.
Kidney?
Yes, ma'am. As it stands now, your son's kidney has failed. Yes. The kidney has failed and we must do something immediately to save him. It's either he is placed on a daily dialysis and watch his progress, or we effect a transplant immediately.
So the past has come to haunt me. God, why would you allow him to face this? Father Lord, he's all that I have got. I cannot afford to lose him to the same affliction that claimed the life of his father. Please, come to my aid. Come to my aid. God, please. I can't afford to lose him. Do not leave me there on the street. I am nothing. Nothing without him.
God, please. Please. Please, God. Please. Please. God, please.
Is it not clear now that she's a witch? She's obviously on a mission to kill Somadina just like she killed her parents. My God will never allow her evil plans to come to fruition.
Obianuju, how sure are you of all these things you're saying? How sure? Obianuju, that girl might be innocent of all these accusations. So I will advise you to say what you know. Because I heard that what Somadina is suffering from, kidney disease. Shut up! Will you shut up? What nonsense kidney disease are you talking about? Don't you know that there's nothing these witches cannot manipulate? She's the cause of Somadina's ailment. She has sucked all the blood in the system, and you're here talking rubbish. How will you shut up?
Cho. Radio without battery. Every time you be opening your mouth, wow, without control. Must you lose your senses because you're in love with Somadina? Eh? Even the doctor confirmed that he's suffering from kidney disease. The same sickness that killed his father. You better be careful what you say about people. People are suffering in this world. There is more to this life than meets the eyes.
My brother has agreed to pay for the land. I told him the situation and he agreed to help. Just that, he said the date on the document will be backdated to when your family and the community were in good terms. And so that he will not have problem accessing the land.
No problem. That won't be an issue. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Without you, what would I have run to?
It's
okay.
You see,
thank you.
Amen. We are in this together, alright? I will not leave you now that you are going through all this. I'm with you. How is he? What did the doctor say?
He's there. The doctor said that the best option is kidney transplant. That is why I have decided to sell the land. Zuka. Of what use will the land be if my son is no more?
I understand. You have made the best decision. But one babe, how are you going to go about getting the kidney?
I don't know. I will just look for a donor. Besides, time is no longer on our side.
A donor? How do you get a donor?
I don't know. I will just look around. I don't know. Maybe I will ask
I'm
people,
here.
but
I'll donate mine. When the doctor told us that transplant would be the best option, I later went to meet him. Then you were at the ward with Somadina. I inquired if I could donate my kidney. And he said that's okay, but I had to think about it very well and be sure that it's out of my own volition and not under duress. So I ran the test and I was certified okay. I've done everything. I've signed all the documents. The only documents left now are the ones you have to sign before Somadina can be transferred to the city.
Machi, you said you would do this for my son? Do you know you could lose your life in the process? Have you thought about it?
Mama, what is life without a loved one? How can I live without a man that gave me a life? He sacrificed his life for me, Mama. This is my turn. This is my turn to pay him back. Mama, please. Please don't say no. Please. Please. I want to do this.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I am getting weaker by the day. I'm afraid I might not be here for too long. But whatever happens, just know that my love for you will never die.
No, no. No, please don't say this. Nothing will happen to you. I don't even mind giving my own life in exchange for yours, so you can be fine. Soma, you gave me a life. What's the need living this life without you? It won't be worth it. You're fine, trust me, you will be okay. Soma, nothing will happen to you, please. Please, stop doubting this. Please. You'll be fine. Okay?
Congratulations to you, madam. The surgery on your son was successful.
But we'll have to keep him with us for a few weeks so as to monitor his progress.
Hey, thank you so much, doctors. I am so happy. My God will reward you for what you have done for me.
Amen.
Well, Ma, you have no need to worry. There's no need to worry. Everything is all right. And as a matter of fact, you should not ascribe the glory that is supposed to be to God, to us. We are mere mortals. All thanks should be to God. And to that wonderful lady.
Machi. I'll forever be indebted to her. Thank you.
Madam, you only care. God hears.
I'm so happy. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
I cannot believe the person we thought to be a witch has turned out to be an angel. Eh? How many girls in her shoe will sacrifice their vital organ for the one they love?
Azoka Wanem. She is really God sent. My joy is that they are happy together. For once, I can feel the joy of motherhood.
You deserve it.
Maybe, just maybe, very soon, I'll become a grandmother.
Ise!
Look at them. They look good together.
I'm so happy for you.
I'm overjoyed.
I can see it all over you.
Look at my summer. Very lively.
Who would have thought
that this will happen? Azoka.
I'm so happy for you, my friend.
My dear, the word can
You are the air that I breathe. I will love you till I die. Your love wanna grow and see. You are the air that I breathe.
Your plan has finally worked. Claiming to be an angel. Obianuju, why are you filled with so much jealousy that you can't even appreciate when someone did what I know you can't even do? Do you know what it means for one to donate her kidney to save another person? Obianuju, you know you can't even donate ordinary blood, let alone kidney. Please, leave them alone and mind your business. Come back here. Sometimes I wonder if you are truly my sister, let alone my twin sister. Obianuju, do you know I ask myself the same question? Are you sure you're my sister? Because you behave like a total stranger. Like a mad dog. May God have mercy on you. May God have mercy on you too. Jealousy! 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 Leave them alone.
You make me so happy. Your love wanna grow and see. Samadina, 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 Samadina. Your love wanna grow and see.
Machi, 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 Machi. Your love wanna grow me see.
You are the air that I breathe. I will love you till I die. Your love wanna grow and see.
Am I eating with the dog?
You are
I'm
the
eating
air
with
that I
him.
breathe.
But I eat this food and still giving
Love you till I die.
Which one is giving
Your
dog?
love wanna grow and see.
Machi, 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 your love wanna power me see.
I told you, sorry.
Madam, the situation is very complicated. The second kidney failed. It is so surprising how that happened without any signs.
Doctor, please. Please, what do we do? What do we do, please?
I'm afraid we have to place him now on daily dialysis. Then maybe we'll plan on how to do another transplant on the second kidney.
Hey. Another transplant. Another transplant. Oh God. Oh God, why? God, why? God, why?
Baba, somebody that must leave. He must leave. Even if it will take my own life, he must leave.
Machi, stop sounding like this. Nothing is going to happen to you. You will not die.
Mama, I don't care. What is the essence of living if the one I love is not going to be in it? What is the essence of living if he won't be here?
You are still young. You still have the stretch of your life before you to live. I cannot watch you die because of my son. I need to save my son somehow.
Mama, I cannot stand the thought of living without Somadina. Somadina gave me a life when I had none. If I have to give my second kidney for him to live, then I will do it. I don't have a choice. I cannot bear seeing him go, Mama. I can't.
Machi, nothing will happen to my son. Somadina will leave.
I hope you realize this decision you're about to take is outrageous and out of this world.
I know, Doctor. Doctor, I know. I know that this is death for me. But he gave me this life. And I'm ready. I'm ready to lay it down for him.
Look, I could give you all the time you need to go home and ponder about this. Because I feel like you're letting your emotions control you.
There is nothing to go home and think about. There is nothing to go home to think about. My mind is made up. Doctor, are you going to help me fulfill this? Or not?
Ma, please, you need to come with me. I don't know what is wrong with you.
Azuka, she's been like this since Summer dinner died. No word. No food. She's just seated there gazing at an empty space. Totally lost to the world.
This is serious. I pray she gets out of it.
I pray she does too. She's the only one I have left. My only companion. Ah. I can only survive this if she comes alive again.
She will.
Faith. You can never know yours until your face is one.
Mama, I'm leaving. I want to go to a place. I cannot feel the emptiness and the pain I feel because Bobom is not here anymore. I've tried to make this pain go away, but the more I try, the more I fail.
My daughter, please. I know that you are deeply hurt. But you cannot leave me now. You are the only family I have left. I am begging you. If you leave, what will become of me?
Mama, I will always be around you. Even when I'm gone.
Machi, please, I will not let you go. Don't go. Don't leave me. I am begging you, do not leave me. If you leave, I will not survive it. Please, please stay with me. I won't let you go. Machi, please stay with me. I will not let you go. You cannot leave me now. I am so happy that you have decided to stay with me. Thank you. You see, tonight, I am going to surprise you. I will make you a special soup. Once we are done with this hair, I will go to the market, get azombo, anongbo, and make you your favorite.
Thank you, Mama. I'll help you make the soup too.
You don't need to bother yourself. Don't worry, I'll do that. I'll get oha. Good ora. And make your favorite. Oh? Thank you for staying.
Bobom, the love of my life. I know that you can see me from where you are with the angels. You were my happiness, Bobom. You were my joy. You were my everything. Bobom, what we share is made in heaven. Heaven. All I need is a hug. A hug that abates my fears. A hug that calms my nerves. A hug that reassures me. A hug that revalidates me. I need a hug that comes with love. Heaven, I need a hug that consoles me. I need a hug that cuddles me. I need a hug that would give me strength. I need a hug to ferry me to the beyond. I need a hug to take me home. To take me home to you. To you, my love.
Hey, Mma, I am back. Mma Snachi. Mma Snachi. I said I'm back. Is it that she's sleeping? Or maybe she's not feeling all right. But how could she be sleeping by this time of the day? Machi. 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 I said I'm back. Machi. 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 No. Machi, please don't do this to me. Machi, Biko, no. Eh? Machi. 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 No. 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 Machi! Machi! Machi!
Machi! Machi, please. Machi, please wake up. Machi, please wake up. Biko, no, Biko. Machi! Machi! Why? No! Machi, Biko, Machi, please, look at me, Machi, I bought things to make your favorite as I promised, Why would you leave me like this? Machi. It's okay. It's okay. Why am I still living?
Don't say that.
Why am I still living? Why?
Stop.
Why am I still living? Who am I going
Please,
to
you have to stay
welcome?
strong for me. What do you want me to
do?
Please.
If I'm asked what I'm doing here, what do I say? If I'm asked why I'm still alive, what will be my answer? If I ask God to end me, it is not a crime.
Please, don't.
Because I'm not living for anything. I am not.
Stop! You can't keep doing this. You're gonna break down.
I am not living for
This is not going to bring back your son. It's okay.
Sama, why?
It's okay. It's okay. Come on. It's okay.
I've never known a love so strong. Now I understand when Somadina once said, our love is made in heaven. Rest on, my friend. And I know that you are both happy wherever you are.